Samsung Galaxy for under $100 with 6 years of guaranteed updates, a large 6.7-inch screen, and all-day battery life. Sounds too good to be true? This is the Galaxy A07 4G, the most affordable entry point into the Samsung ecosystem. But does it deliver the basics well, or did Samsung cut too many corners? Let's find out together. If you're interested by the end, the link with the best price is in the description and pinned comment, worth checking out. And if you enjoy this review, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. The Galaxy A07 4G follows Samsung's classic A-series design language: simple, functional, and no frills. The front is glass, while the back and frame are plastic. Don't expect premium materials here, but the build is solid and feels reliable in hand. The dimensions are 167.4 mm tall, 77.4 mm wide, and just 7.6 mm thick, weighing 184 grams. For a 6.7-inch screen, it's a surprisingly light and thin phone. It fits well in your pocket and doesn't tire your hand during long use. A positive point, it has IP54 certification, meaning protection against dust and water splashes. You can't submerge it, but light rain or a spilled glass of water won't ruin your day. Color options include gray, light violet, and dark green, subtle choices that please most people. The fingerprint reader is on the side, integrated into the power button, and works well. Now, let's talk about the screen. The Galaxy A07 4G's screen is a 6.7-inch PLS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. The size is great for videos, social media, and reading. The 90Hz smoothness makes navigation more pleasant than the 60Hz still found on many phones in this price range. Now, the point of attention. The resolution is HD+, 720 by 1600 pixels. On a screen this size, that results in 262 ppi. In practice, if you look closely, you'll notice that text and images aren't as sharp as on a full HD screen. For casual use, social media, YouTube videos, WhatsApp, it works fine. But if you're picky about image quality, it might bother you. Maximum brightness is around 468 nits, enough for indoor environments and cloudy days, but visibility suffers a bit under bright sunlight. Colors are reasonable for this panel type, nothing exaggerated. It's an honest screen for the price. Speaking of performance, the Galaxy A07 4G comes with the MediaTek Helio G99, a 6nm processor with 8 cores. It's an efficient chip that delivers good daily performance. Apps open quickly, navigation is smooth, and you can even run casual games without issues. Here's an important tip. Avoid the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage version. It works, but it's noticeably slower and space runs out fast. If you can, go straight for the 6GB with 128GB version. The difference in daily use is significant. The top version with 8GB and 256GB is even better, but the price goes up. The storage is UFS 2.2, which is faster than the eMMC common in this price range. And there's a dedicated microSD card slot, so you can expand up to 2 TB without losing the second SIM. The software deserves special mention. It comes with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 8 interface. So far, normal. What's not normal is the promise of 6 years of Android updates and 6 years of security patches. For those who want a device that lasts, this is a very strong argument. One UI is lightweight, intuitive, and full of useful features. You get quick share for easy file transfers, integration with other Galaxy devices like the Fit 3 and Buds, and a polished software experience that smaller brands simply can't deliver. This is the true value of entering the Samsung ecosystem. It's not just the phone, it's all the support that comes with it. You buy a cheap device but receive the same software care as the more expensive Galaxy models. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Galaxy A07 4G's camera setup is simple but functional. The main one is a 50-megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture and PDAF autofocus. For photos with good lighting, it delivers honest results, balanced colors, and enough detail for social media and everyday shots. It's accompanied by a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which helps in portrait mode by creating a background blur effect. It's not the best implementation on the market, but it works for casual photos. The 8-megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls without problems. Video recording goes up to 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. No 4K here, but for common use, it's enough. It's an honest camera. Does the basics well without promising miracles. Now, battery and connectivity is 5,000 mAh, a generous capacity that easily delivers a full day of use without worry. In tests, the device reached almost 13 hours of active use, which is excellent for the category. The combination of the efficient 6nm chip with the HD Plus screen helps a lot with battery life. Charging is 25 watts, which isn't the fastest on the market, but fills the battery in reasonable time. The charger doesn't come in the box, so you'll need to use one you already have at home or buy separately. For connectivity, we have 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, and GPS. A point of attention, there's no NFC, so contactless payments aren't possible. If you use Google Pay or digital wallets a lot, this could be a problem. On the other hand, it keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack, increasingly rare these days, and has FM radio for those who enjoy it. It also has a slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Let's talk about price. The 4GB with 64GB version starts around $70 to $80 in some markets, an absurdly accessible price for a Samsung. But as I mentioned, this version is slower, so my recommendation is to go for the 6GB with 128GB version, which runs between $100 and $130 depending on the region. For those who want the maximum, the 8GB with 256GB version exists, but the price goes up and you might start looking at other models in the A series. Considering you're getting a Samsung with 6 years of guaranteed updates, a large screen, all-day battery life, and access to the Galaxy ecosystem, the value is very competitive. You can find the device on Amazon, through carriers, and at electronics stores. If you're interested, the links with the best prices are in the description and pinned comment, worth comparing since prices vary quite a bit. The Samsung Galaxy A07 4G is proof that you can have a real Samsung without spending much. It's an honest phone that does the basics well and delivers what it promises. For those who want to enter the Samsung ecosystem without spending much, want a phone that will last years with software support, or simply need a reliable device for daily use, the Galaxy A07 4G is a strong recommendation. It's definitely worth it. So, what did you think? Leave it in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.